Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we have another orange box. Let's go! Okay, so we have here our favorite color, orange box, because it means it's a consolidated package. Okay, so again, this is from Buy and Ship. Check them out if you want to consolidate packages from multiple sources. And in this case, I think the source are a couple of places like eBay and of course Lucky Dice Cafe. So I'm expecting 3 items from this box. One is the passerby items of I think if I'm not mistaken. So if you're watching, this is it. And the second items are from the Oxit Deadpool Weapon X, what you call this? Bidding. Okay, so we won a couple of boosters for a couple of weeks, and they are finally here with us. Okay, so we can see our items here. Okay, first up are the Deadpool Weapon X passerbys, or rather bid items. This one is slot number 8, or lucky number 8, and this one is slot number 4. Okay, so let's see what we got. Okay, I can't recall, but I think I pulled a super rare in this particular break. So we have Mime Pool. There you go. The super rare patch, which is only rare here. Quality Control, Deadpool Robot, Deadpool Common, and Scout. Okay, so that's our first item. Second item. Okay. So we were not so lucky in this particular break, but lucky enough to get a super rare. We have Shatterstar, X23. Oh, another super rare, Banshee. Okay. And we have a dice, a Deadpool dice. Okay, Deadpool and Jeff the Land Shark. Okay. Then a couple more boosters from the following week. Okay. I won slots 14 and 15. I don't think, most likely what happened was the 4 and the 8 earlier I won on separate weeks, and this one I won on separate weeks as well. Anyway, the important thing is they're all complete. And for this one, we have Common Wolverine, which I love, Rare Sabertooth, who's this one? White Fox, another Jeff the Land Shark, and Rictor. And finally, the last one is Morph, okay, which I don't have yet for some reason. Jean Grey Rare, Iceman, Time Breakers, and Wolverine Common. Okay, so most of the items here I will sell, okay, because I already have a bunch of them, but there are some I will keep, like Banshee and that patch. Okay, so the remaining items in the box are the passerby items, okay, from eBay, and we have, you can see it here. Ooh, we have Professor X, that's for me. Scarlet Witch, I think, is for Storms for me. Forge and Morph should be for Okay, let's take a look. There you go. So Scarlet Witch, Professor X safely arrived, and Storm A. Okay. So that should wrap up most, if not all, the super rares I need for the set. And this is the Scarlet Witch die. Okay. So that's it for this particular unboxing. Happy to have them on hand. And until the next one, bye bye.